Hey, I didn't expect you to wake up. No, it's not a problem. Finally got in. When I got here, you were asleep on the chair. So I just picked you up, moved you in here. Move over a little bit. Let me get in closer to you. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, flight kept getting delayed. Tried calling you a couple of times, but you never answered. Figured you did the sensible thing and went to bed. Guess not. Sitting up waiting for me. Oh, when will you ever learn? Yeah, by the time we got in, all the ride shares were gone. Add another 30 minutes. No. I wasn't gonna call you again, wake you. Not to come get me at, 3 in the morning? No. I had Tim drive me. He owed me a favor. Apparently Mr. Moneybags parked at the airport. He even splurged for those spots nearest to the entrance. I know, right? I asked him about that. He said something, billbacks, per diems. He went on a long tirade about it. I don't know. As far as I know, the company doesn't pay it out, but who knows? Maybe he bills for it. Nah, ain't worth it. Come here. Yeah. Did I miss you? Sweetheart, I was gone for 3 days. Oh, yes, fine. I missed you. Come here. No, don't hide your face. You're like that video of the cat. Goes in, licks the guy, and then the guy goes to lick the cat, and the cat freaks out. Mwah. Kissy, 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 just for you. So what did you do while I was gone? Oh, yeah? Well, that sounds interesting. Oh, that's cool. Oh, all we did was meetings. Then some of us went out to the bars, and shit, that was just meetings 2.0. Ended up talking shop most of the night. If I'm gonna get a drink with the guys, the least you could do is leave the shop talk at the door. Talk to me about literally anything else. Yeah. I guess that is the common interest that we all have is work, but it just ain't right. Just ain't right. So what are we doing tomorrow? Today? We all know it isn't tomorrow until we go to sleep. What are we doing tomorrow? Waffles, pancakes, French toast, biscuits and gravy. That's a good choice. Bacon or sausage? Hell yeah. Oh shit, you work tomorrow, don't you? No. No, I don't have to go in tomorrow. Give us the day off. Since we missed our weekend, we get to have it on Monday. No. No, all projects are on hold, at least for a little while. What about you? You have to work. But do you really have to? Come on, I missed you. I've been off working, doing husband things, I guess. Can't you stay home tomorrow? Fine. Fine, I guess. I'll just be alone for 8 hours. Wake me when you get up. I want to make you breakfast. You know, the conference center? Continental breakfast every day. Biscuits and gravy on the line. Just awful stuff. Thin, watery gravy. Not an ounce of sausage to be seen. It's just wrong. Just wrong. Come here, sweetheart. Kissy, kissy. Go ahead. Go back to sleep. I'm just gonna hold you. When your alarm goes off, I'll get up too. Oh, wait. Did you set an alarm? Should probably do that real quick. Yeah. Yeah, I brought your phone in. It's plugged in. There you go. Okay. Good night, sweetheart.